Banana!
Mango yan, mango.
Banana yung answer ko, banana.
Answer B, banana. Which fruit is this?
La, daya.
Mango!
Papaya.
Mango saan?
Answer A, mango. Please like and follow if you get
Daya naman yan.
Daya!
guess the fruit.
Alam ko yan. Kiwi!
Papaya yan.
Kiwi yan. Alam mo ah.
Answer C, kiwi.
Hindi mo alam.
Hindi ko alam yata yan. Eh.
Oh, strawberry!
Ha?
Strawberry.
Mango yan eh.
No, strawberry yan.
Guess the fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit yan.
Alam ko yan.
Answer C, dragon fruit. Which fruit is this?
Mango!
La, orange yan eh.
Orange, orange. Talo ko, talo.
Ay, hindi. Ah, talo ka. Ang galing.
Nakarami na ako kaya panalo ko.
Talo ka pa rin.
Ato. Atong pipilian ko.
Pomegranate.
Which fruit?
Sa akin. Pineapple!
Lychee.
Lo, pineapple yan. Ako. Pineapple sa akin.
Answer A, pineapple. Get ready for your last question. Follow me to improve your knowledge and comment on your score. Guess the fruit.
Watermelon.
Strawberry. Strawberry sa akin na.
Answer B, watermelon. If you get 8 out of 10,
Daya naman.
certified fruit master.
Ito naman. Ito.